My pepper, garlic. See the chef there? Original. What is that?
Masala.
Masala. Here the boss said masala.
Jira.
Zira.
Yeah, Brandon, you have to do that.
Quiet, please. Gordy Ramsay taping.
Guidance from.
You're supposed to be on set. Right camera.
Coconut milk. Beautiful. Quiet on set. Grace.
Nina might have matching outfits. I doubt it.
Black pepper.
I like the jacket.
What up?
Black pepper.
What is it?
Black pepper.
Black pepper, okay.
They make this top of line stuff. They don't swear any expense.
Okay, onion powder too.
It's not cheap.
Yeah. Everything I do there is
Good quality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They spend like $100 on a burger, but like the best burger you ever had.
Parsley flakes. Beautiful, beautiful.
That's pretty.
Huh?
So you're on the shelf forever now?
I don't know if it's the masala or
Adobo. I gotta talk it out so I remember it. Getting his recipe. Ooh. Muku Mao. You have fun?
Yeah.
All right. Hold on, I'm gonna see that. What is that? All right, browning sauce. All right. Guyanese Ramsay trying to hide his secret recipe here. That mixture. What is that?
Garlic powder. Grind garlic.
Grind garlic. Then onion, garlic, and what? Pepper?
Yeah.
I do make herself fit in it all.
Bonje time in your blood.
You gotta just in time. It's freezing outside.
The most important thing, pliers.
Yeah.
So you're knocking on low heat first. Okay. Me like cook at high heat bad.
Pick one. Well, you sure? I'm like, yeah.
Cheers.
See what's on here?
Cheers, what are you doing? That thing smells good.
Quiet.
Sorry.
You see which side you gotta turn to? Right, left, right.